try on haul. Okay, all right, let's try this again. Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be my November BOXYCHARM unboxing. If you're interested to see which products I personally received in this month's box, then please just keep on watching, and also how I put them on and how they perform. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel if you actually do enjoy my content. Thumbs up this video because it just helps the sister out a lot, let's just be real. And also make sure you turn on the notification bell so you actually do get notified whenever your girl does drop a video. I guess there was enough information for now, so let's just jump right into this video. So the first thing that I see when I look in the box are these Luxie brushes right here. These are called the Luminous Eye Set. It's a total of 4 brushes and they retail for $21. This is actually pretty cute because you can actually reclose it and lock them back in there if you want to. Not that anybody does, but you know, you never know. I actually do own quite a few makeup brushes, but the fact that those 4 are so small means that you can use them for like a lot of detailed work, and I'm personally like, I need stuff like that, okay? Because your girl's been having 21 million brushes, but whenever I'm trying to do like detailed work, I'm just not really, you know, finding anything that I like. Second product that I see here, which I'm actually really excited about. Sorry, sometimes this voice just comes out. I don't know where it's coming from. Next product is this Ace Beauty Grandiose palette featuring 4 shimmer shades and 4 bold mattes. Honestly, I was like super excited about this. First of all, can we please just take a second for this packaging and just like appreciate how gorgeous and absolutely stunning this packaging is. So let's just open this bad boy up. Whoop. I don't really have a transition shade in here. There's nothing really that calls transition shade to me right now. I'm just gonna go into Patchouli right here, which is a little light, but I'm just gonna do it just for sake. A little mini teeny tiny, I'm gonna say downfall, is definitely there's no mirror. Okay, so now I'm gonna have to go into another mirror constantly so I can actually see what I'm doing. So for me personally, I'm just a little spoiled brat. I kind of don't like that. I'm gonna be going into Cinnamon, which is probably not smart, but I had absolutely, oh, look at this. Wow. Pigmentation is okay. I'm going to use the mini round brush by Luxie and actually go into Poppy, which is this deep red shade right there. Again, I just did an eye look yesterday that was red, but it's fall and all, you know. I'm going to make sure that I concentrated only on the outer V and the inner V. I will say I actually really do like these shadows. I think I'm gonna go into Merch. What I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna try to apply this with a brush first. Wow. Wow, you guys. And that brush is not even wet. Like, it's literally just a normal brush. I like it. I like it. I think it looks really, really pretty. So I'm just gonna wet the same brush that I just used with my MAC Fix Plus and dip back into Merch. Wow. Wow, you guys. This is like absolutely, this is everything. So you guys, I will say this palette definitely pretty much impressed me. Like, I'm actually blown away and I love this, and I already know I'm going to be using this a ton now. So next I'm going to be applying some mascara real quick and then I'll be right back. So next product that I see in here are actually these Lashaholic lashes in Instaglam false eyelashes. Now, to be 100% honest with you guys, these lashes are a little weak for me. While the lashes are getting a little tacky and stuff, we're gonna keep going with the next product, which is this Jante Blue Glittering Star Eyeliner. This is actually a black waterliner with some glitter in there. I'm curious, you guys. I'm curious. It's a little harsh, you guys. I mentioned before, I can only use really, really soft liners just because I feel like everything else just makes my eyes water like crazy. So therefore, I personally just prefer the ones that are just freaking like butter. This one's not like that. Oh my gosh, you guys. I don't know. I just feel like the glitter is not going to do my eyes any good. Ooh, I already have something in my eye. I feel like you can't really see the glitter too much, but I guess it looks pretty. I don't know. I don't think that it does look too bad. And last but not least, we actually have those drops here by Cover FX. Those are the glitter drops in the shade Nova, which is actually a limited edition. And these are the little boys right here. Oh my gosh, this literally looks so freaking pretty. And I did want to mention how you can actually use this. You can use them alone, under or over makeup, or mixed into your foundation or moisturizer for an incredibly luxe glitter effect on the face and body. Now I will say from the outside, it does look like it is a little glittery. So what I'm going to do, because I'm a little bit nervous, I'm actually going to put some on the back of my hand. It's probably way too much. Oh my gosh, this looks like liquid gold, you guys. And then I'm just gonna, I was not ready for that. Do you guys see this? I mean, it definitely is pretty. I don't know. What do you guys think? It looks nice, but again, it is very glittery though. So if you're not into glitter, you're probably not gonna like that. Truth is, you guys, I have glitter all over my face now, every freaking where. It's okay on the cheeks. I definitely would not recommend it on the rest of your face, because you guys can tell, but I have like glitter now everywhere in my face, and that's just, it's a little much for me. I feel like I'm kind of out of that age, okay? But again, it does look very, very pretty, very, very beautiful on the cheeks. It is very glittery, so if you're not a fan of that, you're definitely not gonna love this. And I think to mix this into your foundation is a lot. Like, it definitely is a lot. But again, if you use this in your body lotion or something, that's probably what I'm going to be using it for. Alright, you guys, so this is it for this month's BOXYCHARM unboxing. All in all, I did really enjoy this month's box. Well, the lashes, but that's personal preference. I do feel like the lashes do look really pretty, but they are not a lash type that I would normally choose for myself. Maybe the eyeliner, I'm not like the biggest fan of. So all in all, I was really satisfied with this month's box. I don't really feel like there was anything in there that I did not like. My favorite product would probably have to be the eyeshadow palette, because that eyeshadow palette, A, looks beautiful, B, is performs absolutely amazing. The total value of this month's Gold Digger box is $110, which again, you only spend $21 a month, so it's really, really good, in my opinion. My personal opinion. Let me know in the comments down below how you guys enjoyed this month's box. Which products did you really enjoy? Which products didn't you enjoy? I love you guys, and I'm gonna talk to you guys soon. Bye.